Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 42 of the 100 days challenge of building yourself as a brand, and I would say my this self development journey is going really well than what I expected. It's like thinking about practically, it's not up to the mark, but according to my knowledge of how I am, how is my behavior, and what is the rate of my procrastination and all these things, laziness and all, I think I'm doing well better. So that is good sign, and let's go ahead with the video. So today I woke up a bit late, I can say a lot late actually. So in the night, it was 1:30, I woke up and I was so restless. I could not sleep properly, and due to that I could not open my eyes at 4 o'clock. So I off the alarm, but I couldn't wake up. And then at 6:30 I opened my eyes and realized that okay, I woke up today as well late. So after that I was like, no problem, we'll move ahead with our routine. So I got up and went and drank 2 glasses of hot water, and then my mom and dad were there, so was kind of just speaking to them. So then my mom said, if you are free today, just go to temple and come like right now in the morning. And one temple, like a function is going on, which I told in the last video, and I wanted to go to another temple because it was very long time I haven't went. So she said so, and then I told her that, you know what, I'm also getting this urge from yesterday to just go and come. So I said her okay then, because what I was feeling, and then even she said, so it was kind of like a sign that you have to go correctly. So I said okay, I'll go. And then I had to leave at 8:30 because at 9:15 the function starts. They read this I don't know what it is called, like there is a kind of narrations, fine, so it's kind of a bhajan, but it's a longer one. So they were reading that. At 9:15 it was going to start, so I have to reach before 9:15, and I drive slowly, I don't drive fast. So I told her that I'll leave at 8:30 so that I can go slowly as well and reach on time. So I started to get ready for the work. I thought of doing a dance for 20 minutes because time also was less, so workout would not be possible, and I was not even feeling like doing workout. So I kept this 20 minutes alarm, and I went and quickly did a dance, which made my heart rate fast and which made me even sweating. So I think that can be counted. Of course it's not that powerful as this, but okay, we can deal with what it is. And it was just 20 minutes, so I won't complain. But I did move my body, which is very important. After doing that, I went quickly for a bath, and I went to bath, and then I ironed my clothes which I was going to wear. Then I wore them, I got ready, and it was already 8 o'clock by that time. So anyways, the breakfast I was gonna come and have because my mom had not prepared it. So I was like fine. So I got ready, and at 8:05 I went to her. Then she was making garlands for me to take and go. So I waited for some time. Then at 8:30 exactly I left. and I went to the temple over there. I reached early, of course. I reached by 8:50, which took me like 20 minutes to reach over there. Right? Not 20, 25 minutes, because I left at 8:30. Till I leave, it was 8:35. So yeah, 25 minutes. And after that, I did all work what was going to be done over there. We read that book, and then I think I left a little late from there because I got one of my friend over there, so she insisted for me to sit with her for some time with all, and then to go, and I agreed to that, and I did the things. After that, at 10 o'clock from there, because we had estimated a time at 10 o'clock I was going to reach home, but I was there over there till 10 o'clock. But after that I left from there, and then I went to another temple. And that temple, one more thing what happened was the construction was going on, which I didn't knew about. And there are two routes for that temple. So one is the stairs, which are a little longer because the temple is like on a hill kind of thing. So these stairs are there, and there is a road. So it is like a uphill. So I never went through the road, but I do enjoy going on the stairs. I love going from those stairs. Okay, so I thought I'll go from there. And when I parked over there, I saw that the stairs were like broken. There were only 5-6 stairs, and everything all was like muddy. And then I was thinking, is there any way to go from there, or I have to take my scooty and go from the road, which could be actually very difficult because I never went from an uphill road. Okay, so I was kind of scared. Then I asked those workers who were working over there. So I asked one of them whether there is a way to walk and go from here, and they were like, yeah, it's there. So I then followed the path which was there. After few stairs, there were like stones were being kept for us to climb. So I climbed on those, and I then went, and yeah, the construction was going. The temple is the same thing, but front of the temple there was kind of like, it was like a stage area kind of thing, like a hall. So that is under construction, and they have put some poles which are really pretty. They are like of granites, I think, or stone. I think they are made of stones, and it looks fabulous. So it's not even completely built, but it is already looking very good, like an old age wala temple. So I loved it. Anyways, we'll see after the finishing what it looks like. So I went, and then I prayed, and I came back, and yeah, then I came to my home. After coming to home, I quickly changed. I was very hungry. I told my mom, she gave me breakfast, and I had that. And then I watched a little bit of TV. And after that, I came and I started to do my work, from which I took a very long break. It might look like it's not much of a gap, but if I count it on my fingers, it's like 4 days, I think. Yeah, and in 4 days I could have done so much, but I decided to waste my time. So bad idea. Anyways, that happened. I did my work, and then my video was getting exported. So then I thought today I'll like cook food, because my mom, anyways, she told me like to make some fry, potato fry. And I told her, no, I don't have time. I have to put up a video up and all, everything, editing and all is there. So she like said, just do it, because she was also kind of got a little late today, and that's why she requested me for that. I told if I get time I will do it, but that was like okay. So this video was getting exported, and I could not do anything else because my computer is very slow. So then I decided, it was anyways already 1 o'clock. Then I went and I started to cook. Today we don't have much things to eat, so it was just rice and that thing. And I did that, and we had our lunch. They loved what I prepared, so I was happy about that. Then I came back and started to edit and get my work done. I also have designed t-shirts, so I'm gonna link those in the description for you all. So if you all would be interested in buying t-shirts for yourself, do visit the link in the description box. And also my journals are live. There are two journals. There is one is the life journal and one is the daily journal. You can also check them out. Everything will be listed in the description. And yeah, after doing that all work, I took a small break and did japa. And after doing that today, I had not journaled and all, and that is kind of there in my habit tracker app. So I thought I'll do that, even if it's for like 5 minutes. It's like an yes or no kind of a thing, so I just want to do it and make it a habit, of course. So I thought I'll get it done, and yeah, I did that. After doing that, I actually felt good, because even if it's like evening, it still feels good when you get a task done, even if it's like a small thing, you know. So after doing that, I then went and got freshened up, and then I went and had my dinner. Yeah, I was gonna say lunch actually. I went and had my dinner, and after having that, I came and started to do a little bit more editing, and then I also got into this particular video. And after completing that, editing this video, uploading it and scheduling it, then I got ready to go to sleep. Then also I did my skincare, which was great. I'm loving my skin and my hair right now. It's just that because of the summers and because of the sweat, they are kind of tired, but I think I'm taking good care of them, that still they look so fresh. So happy about it. And yeah, that is how my today's day ended. It was quite good. I'm like okay with all this work on the computer work that I'm doing, but my another channel, that is my dance channel and all, so I have fallen back in that, so want to get on that track as well. It is just I'm getting lazy to change, then to dance, to practice and all those things, but I cannot stop it because that is my main thing, so I have to get into that. Tomorrow, maybe the day, this Sunday, I don't know if I was like gonna do anything like free time or anything, because I have followed so much back to I have to get into the track. Let's see how it goes. I just wish that nothing else comes up in middle which will put against full stop to this or comma to this. So yeah, anyways, okay then. I think I say anyways a lot, sorry. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Until then, bye, take care.